Hello everyone and happy summer. Depending on where you live, that either means it's mango season or ice cream season. And I'm here to combine both of these things for you today by making a mango Mawa Kulfi. Kulfi is a special type of ice cream that doesn't require any eggs. You just cook the milk down nice and slow until its natural sugars or lactose begin to caramelize. Yes, lactose, the same thing that tears your stomach apart every time you have a milkshake. When the milk is about halfway reduced, we're going to add some Mawa or KHOYA. These are milk solids. It'll add a nice creamy texture to the kulfi and speed along the process. Continue to cook this mixture down low and slow until the Mawa dissolves completely in the milk. Then we're going to take the pot off the heat and add some cardamom to taste and some mango puree. If you have really sweet mangoes in your area, you can just use those, but I'm using canned mango here. This has sugar in it already, so I'm not going to add any sugar on top. But if you like things a little sweeter, be my guest. Now we're going to put this back on the stove and cook it on very low heat just so the water from the mangoes can evaporate. We don't want any ice crystals in our kulfi, we just want something nice and creamy. We'll put it in our popsicle molds, pop it in the freezer overnight, and then there you have it, mango Mawa Kulfi, perfect for the summer.